In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to unlock your FPS on Roblox. Normally, Roblox FPS is capped at 60 FPS, but in this video, I'll show you guys how to unlock that so it can reach the maximum potential of your PC. First things first, you want to go to this GitHub website. I'll put the link to the website in the description below, but once you're on this website, you want to go over to the right-hand side of the screen. There should be a copy button right here. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll have copied all this text right here. Now, once you have copied it, you want to go to your desktop. And once you're on your desktop, go ahead and right-click. Then you want to look for New, and once you find New, go ahead and open a text document. Once you do that, it's going to open right here. And once you have it right here, you want to name it client-app-settings.json. Make sure you put the JSON right there. And once you do that, it'll ask if you want to change the file name extension, and the file might become unstable. You just want to click Yes. Once you do that, it's going to open right here. You want to go ahead and double-click on it. It'll open right here, and you want to Ctrl+V and paste all the text you just copied. So in this text right here, the cap for the FPS is at the very top right here. You can change this to whatever you think is the best fit for your PC. So mine would be about 240, but it might be different for you. Once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and close out of it and click Save. You are going to want to open Roblox's file location. So you want to look for Roblox player. So go ahead and search for it in the search bar down here. And once you find it, you're going to want to go ahead and right-click on it, and then click Open File Location. Once you open the file location, from here, you're going to want to find it again, and then click the Open File Location. Now, once you're here, you're going to want to add a new file to the Roblox player. So go ahead and right-click anywhere on the page right here, and you want to go over down to New, and you want to add a folder. Once you add a new folder, you're going to want to go ahead and add it as Client Settings. Once you do that, you can click off of it. It'll save right here. Now that you have that right here, you're going to want to go ahead and grab the client-app-settings.json and drag it into the client settings just like that. So it might drop down right here. You want to drag it into the client settings, or the client-app-settings.json is now in the client settings. Every time Roblox updates, you'll need to redo the file. So I would suggest keeping a client app settings out here on your desktop or somewhere else that isn't in the actual Roblox app settings. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you have in the comment section.